Hi, and welcome back to How to Mobile Photo. I'm Neeta Shankar, a wedding and lifestyle photographer from Bangalore. I'm an Nikon executive and a Godox India brand ambassador. One of the major pain points in mobile photography is low light performance of the phone camera. It's in fact one of the most challenging conditions while shooting on a mobile phone. But phones like OnePlus 10R, which is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor, have come a long way and do a great job in capturing memories for us, even in extreme low light. Today, we will learn how to shoot amazing photos and videos, yes, you heard that right, videos too, in low light using the phone OnePlus 10R. This phone is powered by the next generation flagship level MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor. Complemented by a Sony sensor and OIS, the next-gen Nightscape algorithm enhances night photography for amazing clarity and reduced noise. The 8100 Max processor comes with AI-based noise reduction and anti-blur techniques for clearer pictures and videos in low light. While we are checking out the latest algorithm and exploring the awesome features of the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max, we will also learn some tips and tricks that you could use during night photography and videography. Now let's take it for a spin and see what it does. While shooting in low light, one of the first tips is to keep your phone as stable as possible. Hold it steady or use a mobile tripod wherever possible. To get the best out of low light situations, use AI scene enhancement when shooting photos in low light. This is possible due to MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor. AI-based noise reduction produces sharp images with minimal noise even at extreme low lighting conditions. In situations when your subjects are moving, don't forget to turn on AI scene enhancement, as this reduces shake in your images. See how by turning this feature on has helped reduce motion blur and captured sharper image of the moving subject. Embrace night lights, city lights, storefronts, neon signs, strobe lights, etc. Lock the focus and pull down the exposure to get some creative low-key lighting in your images. While shooting portraits in low light, try and use available light sources like lampshades or street lamps, etc. to light your subjects. Shadows add dimension to your images. Try and place your subject such that there is directional light that is falling on them. If the light falls on your subject at a top 45-degree angle, you get interesting and flattering images. Look for interesting sources of light. We used an LED light here to create these directional rays. While shooting nighttime videos with available light and mood lighting, switch on the AI highlight video to use MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor's AI capability and get the best out of your camera. Use Pro mode. Shoot long and creative exposures, capture motion blurs, and do light painting. Here, we are using a colored light tube. For light painting, we are using a long exposure of 2 seconds to add light patterns to our image. Ensure your subject remains as still as possible to ensure there is no motion blur on her. You could also try light painting a still subject or a night scene. Set your phone on a tripod or a stable surface, switch to Pro mode, switch ISO from auto to 100 or the lowest possible number. Switch shutter speed from auto to a slow shutter like 2 seconds or 5 seconds, etc. to create long exposures on your camera. Here's one more tip that you can try. Get the best from your phone flash either by softening it or using color gels and getting creative portraits. Also, try editing all your photos with a photo editing app and enhance your night images. Stylize your photos using black and white filters, add grains to create beautiful images. Another trick that you can try is to use backlighting and shoot silhouettes to make some interesting images. Take advantage of the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor and edit your photos and videos effortlessly. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.